When looking for the perfect forklift certification training course, there are 3 areas you must consider. 1. Accreditation, to ensure your training provider is fully certified to complete your training courses. 2. Safety. Your training provider should be up to date on all the latest health and safety legislations. 3. Professionalism. High levels of customer service and customer satisfaction are very crucial. Here at 4KS Forklift Training, we pride ourselves on our ability to meet all these 3 criteria at the highest level. 4KS Forklift Training have successfully trained candidates all across the UK. We have instructors that have been instructing for over 10 years. We offer a wide variety of courses such as counterbalance, reach truck, PPT and VNA training, fully accredited by RTITB, whether it is in-house or on-site training. We also offer weekend courses, and we have a finance option available where candidates could train now and pay later. Call us today on 0121 294 9395 or submit an inquiry on our website www.4ksforklifttrainingltd.co.uk and a member of the customer service team will be in touch.